What's up, everybody? It's Tony Lopez here with Alternative Living Spaces, and right now I am in downtown Las Vegas, actually at Container Park. Now, some of you may have heard of Container Park. Some of you may have had the opportunity of actually visiting Container Park. This place is incredible. It is actually made out of a total of 84 kind of containers. So basically it's 43 shipping containers and 41 extreme cubes. Now we'll talk a little bit more later about what exactly the extreme cubes are. But this is a commercial retail space, and so there's a lot of stores, restaurants, different things like that. It's basically an outdoor style mall, and it was built back in 2013. It was inspired by Tony Hsieh, former CEO and the founder of Zappos, which is also based here in Las Vegas. So this place is incredible, really unique design, and excited to show you around. So there's actually 3 builders that worked together to make downtown Container Park. It was a local general contractor called Breslin Builders, Con Global, who actually basically worked on the containers specifically. So we mentioned there's 43 shipping containers. And then another company here that's local is Extreme Cube. It's an Ahern company, and they are the ones that created all the Extreme Cubes, all 41 of them. And now we're gonna go look at the Extreme Cubes first. It's actually a 3-story structure that they built out of these. These cubes come in steel modular modules, and they actually are really similar to containers. They're extremely durable, extremely strong, and so they built out almost half of this facility with those. So we're heading up to the 3rd floor of this Extreme Cube structure. Right behind me, you can see the actual steel members that they make them with. So it's almost like a container. The whole skeleton of it is structural steel. And then they put these metal panels, looks like 4x9 or 4x8 panels to make the walls. Let's check out some more. At the top of this 3-story structure is something really unique. It's actually a shipping container elevator. So they took a 40-foot container, they stood it tall, upright, and there's an elevator inside. So let's check it out. One of Tony Hsieh's goals was really to bring creativity to downtown. This is actually the Arts District, and I love the way they utilize the containers. They're used for a lot of actually like bridges and walkways. You're gonna notice there's a lot of natural art and things that they have within this space, but it really does a good job to just kind of bring this space to life, and more than just the stores or the restaurants that are here, it becomes an attraction just to see the design of the building and the structure itself. With a project this complex and with this many containers, it requires a ton of engineering. Anytime you do a cutout in a container, it has to be reinforced properly. And you can see right here, they went with some heavy duty steel. This is probably a 14-foot opening here. It's in a 20-foot container. And they've got probably 5-inch by 3-inch steel, cut at 45s at the top, and what looks like full weld. So anytime you're gonna cut into a container and modify, you gotta make sure you engineer it properly. The single craziest thing I think in this entire park is right behind me, and it's actually a playground for kids out of 4 shipping containers, 2 40-footers and 2 20-footers. They're all standing upright with slides coming out of them. I mean, this place is nuts. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of downtown Container Park right here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I do have a freebie for you. For those of you that are interested in learning more about how to build with shipping containers, we actually have a free class we put together. The link is in the description below. You can go ahead and take that. And if you want to learn more about what we do, check us out online at alternativeliving.spaces.com. We specialize in shipping container conversions, specifically for residential applications like offices, home gyms, and tiny houses. We'll see you in the next episode.